Alright, here we have it. This is our 6880 kit. When you purchase this, I want to show you the quality and the care and the product that you're going to receive. There's 4 kits in here. This is such a great price point. This. Learn to solder. You build this kit first. Here are the parts. Excellent assemblers that count each of these parts out for you. PC boards, instructions. Learn to solder. Once you complete that, you're moving on to your next kit. Secret irritator kit. This thing's really cool. Assembler 43 put this together. I believe that's Savannah. Does an excellent job. Everything is counted out. Capacitors, single items, quality controlled. Make sure that those parts are in there. Moving on to our next kit, our next build, the electronic siren kit. Get a nice big speaker there. Push button switch, transistors, PC board. Look at that. We'll build that one third. And last but not least, check this one out. This is our multicolor LED flasher kit. You build this last. Look at that. You get your IC socket, and you do that so that it doesn't burn out. You're not trying to solder that directly to the board. You solder this in first, so then you can place your IC in there. Battery snap, resistors. Look at that. Just so happen to have them after you solder them together. This is what the first kit looks like. There we go. These are the kind of solder connections you're striving for. Our in-house tech Angel does a really good job of putting these together. Here's the next kit right in here. I gotta get one of those new cameras that actually focuses. Okay, well, I guess if I do that, you can try to do an extreme close-up. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do that from here on out. There's the speaker. I'm gonna keep that there while I grab the next one. I think this is the technique we do. Start like that, and then we zoom in. Oh, it's working so well too. Capacitor, transistors, resistors, diodes. These have to be put in the correct way. If these are flipped, the board will not work. Capacitor as well. The resistors, on the other hand, you can put those in either direction. Another stellar job from Angel, soldering that together. The siren whales. I mean, look at this. Look at all of this you're getting. This is an incredible deal. Incredible value. I mean, all the paper, the printing, the knowledge that goes on here. Look at this. This is the LED flasher. Multicolor flasher. Battery snap. A little more detail in here. Potentiometer, capacitor. You'll notice that has a little stripe on it. That's the negative side. It's indicated. These ICs, they have to go with a notch pointing that way. If you flip them around, the project will not work. Speaking of working, let's plug this one. Well, let's start off from here. Now this is just to get this is just for practice. Uses a lot of the same parts that you'll see in these other kits. The IC sockets, the capacitors, the transistors, sample resistors in there. These are another sort of capacitor there. This right here is a secret irritator kit. This plugs in, and then this will go off after it's charging up a capacitor, and then it mysteriously goes on when it feels like it. Gives you time to set it somewhere and check it out. So let's see here, we got that. After that goes off, we'll move on to our next kit. Let me see if I have another battery in the meantime. No, we're just going to have to wait it out. And while that's going, let's take a look at our instruction sheet. Let's open it up a little bit. You get 4 of these. There it goes. And just turns off on its own. Resets for another round. You get a nice parts list, inventory of what you're going to receive, how to set it up. And look at that. Oops. I mean, look at that, you know. Put them in this direction, in this order. Have that right? Booklet. Let's go to the next page. These are all hand prepared. Everything in this package has been placed in here by hand. Here's our assembly instructions and how to put them together, line by line. The theory of operation, if the kit doesn't work, some reasons behind that. Comes with a foil pattern of the board. This is the foil pattern. Again, let me reverse it. Here's the schematic of how the current works. The capacitor, 9-volt battery, resistor, transistor, another capacitor. See this little line in here? That means that capacitor has a polarity. You got to put that on that side, where this one doesn't have that. You get all of this. This is just one instruction sheet for this. You get 3 more at an incredible value. And we have 4 different types of kits. We have, 5. Currently have 5. So this is our offering. Hope you enjoy it. Give us a subscribe and like on YouTube. Last but not least, let's plug these in while we're at it. This right here is the electric siren kit. And last but not least, we have our multicolor flasher kit. I have a little screwdriver here. That seems to help when I do that. I gotta lull the camera into focus. Here's the IC. That notch has to be on that side in order for it to work. Here's a capacitor again. Has to have the negative side on this. Resistors, either way, flip them around, that'll be fine. Here's the potentiometer. Let's turn this and see what I'm going to flash. Slow flash. slow and long. A little bit quicker. And alternating. Oh, again, look at all this. You get all these kits. What a great way to start your electronic journey of learning on how these things work. The resistors, the schematics, the code. It's really pretty cool. All right. Hope you liked the video.